Experience the vibrant nightlife of Manila, Philippines, where the city comes alive after dark. Indulge in the energetic atmosphere as you explore the bustling streets filled with lively bars and clubs. Immerse yourself in the pulsating music and dance to the rhythm of the city's vibrant nightlife scene. Savor the delicious flavors of local cuisine at the trendy restaurants and food stalls scattered throughout the city. Discover hidden gems as you wander through the vibrant night markets, offering a variety of unique products and souvenirs. Feel the excitement as you witness live performances by talented local artists, showcasing their skills in music, dance, and more. Join the lively crowd and make unforgettable memories as you socialize and connect with people from all walks of life. Experience the electrifying energy of Manila's nightlife, where the city never sleeps and the fun never ends. Whether you're a party enthusiast or simply looking for a memorable night out, Manila's nightlife has something for everyone. Come and immerse yourself in the vibrant and unforgettable nightlife of Manila, Philippines.